Hey guys, what's up? This is day one of deleting all my social media from my phone, as you can see from the title. But why did I do it? Let me make my coffee first because I'm feeling very sleepy, as you can see from my eyes. So our coffee is ready, and now you can discuss why I deleted social media for the next 7 days and what's the benefit of that.
So what I feel is over a very long time, I'm spending a lot of time on social media, which I shouldn't, and do something better with it, like 9 hours per day, 8 hours per day. And I don't like that feeling. Like I am consuming instead of creating. And on the second hand, a lot of my work is on phone, like speaking with clients, cold calling, and everything. But I know that doesn't take much of my time as social media. And one thing that made me realize is if I'm spending 9 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours a day, it's 40, 50 hours a week. The amount of work I can do, it just kind of made me scared that I'm losing this much of my time, this much of my life, which I don't want to waste and create something or do something meaningful. So I decided to delete my social media, everything that I can waste my time on for the next 7 days. But just deleting is gonna help? No. So what I've decided is over the course of next 7 days, I'm gonna post every single day. And that make this challenge pretty hard because one of the reasons जिसने मुझे inconsistent बनाया था from the last vlog till this vlog is I was thinking कि I'm working from home. There's not much to show. So this will help me push myself to create more content, use my creativity, something which I love. I love making content. And I realized from a very long time, creating content feels difficult. Does that mean my love for creating content is going less? No, I still love it. I still love creating content. It's just I need to push myself, get out of my comfort zone once again. And as yes theory say, good things lies beyond your comfort zone. So yeah, here we go. This is day one. Let's see what happens throughout the day. One thing I forgot to mention, which I think makes it more interesting, is I'm deleting everything from my phone. बट अगर मुझे व्लॉग पोस्ट करना है, मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे क्लिप्स पोस्ट करना है, आई कैन यूज माई लैपटॉप because I'm not gonna scroll on laptop. So here we go. I'm gonna delete Instagram, YouTube, everything which I waste my time on. Instead of WhatsApp, I have to work also. So everything is gone. By the end of the day, I'll show you my digital well-being जिसमें मेरा सारा screen time दिखेगा. So let's create breakfast and get on work.
You know, brain is so wired to get this dopamine burst every time. It's just मैंने एक phone call किया, एक client को call किया, and I just scrolled down towards Instagram and there was no app. So it made me happy also. It made me realize कि damn, even my hands, even my muscle memory, सब कुछ जाना है Instagram की तरफ. But no, we're controlling. So now the focus would be working, and one of the major reason of this challenge is for me to put as much of effort as I can while working. And I think I've not told you what I'm doing. So I'm kind of like, just in simple, what my role is, that I'm building a AI driven digital marketing agency here in Dubai. We have a few clients, but the main thing is I want to use my full potential, and I know this social media part is affecting it. And I want to, as I mentioned, I want to be a creator, not a consumer. So here we are, working, recording, and small update. I needed chai too. I've been working for the last 1.5 hour, and yeah, a little small break. It's just been few hours and I see the productivity कितना hamper कर रहा था social media मेरे productivity को. The work has improved. कुछ घंटों में मैं देख रहा हूँ कि कितना productivity है. After taking a break, मैं जा रहा हूँ lunch के लिए, but lunch से पहले हम जाएंगे मस्जिद में, नमाज़ पढ़ेंगे and we'll have our lunch. Generally I cook, but क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा काम कर लिया तो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं. अगर मैं कुक करूँगा तो I'll get late. So let's go and pray अभी. Just done with namaz, beautiful masjid. Now I'm quite hungry and मैं directly namaz के बाद I was going to eat for lunch. But I just got a reminder that I have a meeting right now. So first I'll have to go home, back, attend the meeting. थोड़ा भूखा रहते and then we'll go have lunch. Even without the premium listing, if you see through our portal, it's already ranking on top. Done with the meeting. चलो अभी जाके खाना खाते हैं. थोड़े शॉट्स निकालने के लिए कितनी मेहनत करना पड़ता है भाई. मैंने तो कैमरा रखा ही नहीं. ऐसे एकदम सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स लेने की जो कोशिश हम कर रहे हैं, केसी नाइस्टैट जो हम बन रहे, मेहनत देख रहे हो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द वर्क, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द मीटिंग, कितना मेहनत है. आई नो व्लॉग के स्टार्ट में जब लोग ने मुझे सुबह में स्वेट शर्ट पहनते हुए देखा रहेगा तो बोले क्या डम है, लाइक यूएई की गर्मी में कौन पहनता है. बट मॉर्निंग से मुझे बहुत ठंडी लग रही थी, प्रोबेबली थोड़ा बीमार जैसा. बट आफ्टरनून के बाद मुझे बहुत गर्मी लगने लगी. सो वी चेंज्ड. नाउ इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 5. काफ़ी काम है बट आई एम प्रेटी स्लीपी. सो कॉफ़ी, और कोई ऑप्शन है कॉफ़ी. We absolutely would want to partner with you, so we can do 50% right now. So done with the work. It's 6:30 right now. Gym जा रहा हूँ. Pretty tiring day, and बल्कि आज legs day है, so लगने वाले हैं. So I also think some of you might think कि अहमद you have deleted social media to use, like to stop yourself using it. तो इससे discipline कैसा form होगा? So एक quote है Atomic Habit का, not quote but a concept is to form a habit, make your environment simpler. तो मैं अगर ऐप रखूँगा तो बार बार वहाँ पे जाने की मुझे अर्ज होगी. अगर मैं ऐप ही नहीं रखूँगा तो अर्ज ही नहीं होगी. सो डिसिप्लिन और हैबिट, बस थोड़ा इजी कीजिए सब सारी चीज़ों को. सो डन विद द जिम. जोश में आज बहुत हैवी हो गया. अभी ऐसा लग रहा है घर जाके बस सो जाए, बट वी कांट. अभी मस्जिद में आके मगरिब पढ़ना है एंड देन घर पे आके फ्रेश होके वी हैव टू मेक आवर डिनर. लॉन्ग डे मैन. उसके बाद ये व्लॉग एडिट करना है बिकॉज टुमारो वी आर मेकिंग अ न्यू व्लॉग. तो मैंने जिस शॉप से बोला था कि मैं घर जाके कुक करूँगा, फिर जैसे ही मैंने शावर लिया मेरी आंखें बंद होना चालू हो गई. और मेरा जो दोस्त है उसने मुझे डीमोटिवेट कर लिया कि कुकिंग नहीं करेंगे, बाहर जाके खाएंगे. आवेश कुछ बोलना चाहेगा? हाँ? शर्मा क्यों रहा है? तो वी आर गोइंग आउटसाइड. हमने अभी ईशा पढ़ी एंड वी आर गोइंग फॉर डिनर. दूसरा आने बोलो गाइस, थोड़ा देख लो. So it's 10:30 p.m. right now. Done with dinner, done with my steps, and I think overall एक काफ़ी productive दिन था क्योंकि social media नहीं था. And मेरे पे काफ़ी time urge आई क्योंकि my hands directly go towards the app, but that was kind of funny कि app ही नहीं है तो time pass नहीं कर सकते. Let's get back to work. Now the main question is कि मैंने पूरे दिन में कितना फ़ोन इस्तेमाल किया and किस चीज़ में इस्तेमाल किया. But we'll keep that for episode 2. So that's it for day 1 of this challenge. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace. Bye-bye.